Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this private virtual VPN network called AdGuard. So let's get started. AdGuard VPN is a tool that helps you stay safe and private online. Think of it this way: using this internet is like sending postcards to a website. Anyone can see what you are doing. So AdGuard VPN is like putting your postcard in a special envelope that no one can open except the website you are sending it to. This keeps your information hidden from the prying eyes. AdGuard also hide your actual location. It makes your website and app think you are somewhere else. This helps you get around blogs and access content that might be blocked in available regions or in your region. So plus AdGuard VPN can even speed up your internet connection by blocking annoying ads and trackers that slow down your connection. Now talking about the key features about this platform, it comes with a wide range of features. AdGuard VPN is more just a simple VPN. It comes with a pack with extra features that makes it stand out. So these features give you more control over your online experience and help you stay online and stay safe and private. So let's look at some of these best features and the coolest features that makes this platform, a VPN network, stand out. Which is one of these best features is a AdGuard ad blocker together with a AdGuard DNS and a kill switch together with a split tunneling and an AdGuard thumbnail. So together with all these features make this platform stand out compared to other competitors VPN. So talking about the plan, we have a month plan, a year plan, and the 2 years plan. You can just get back to the website using the link in the video to access the pricing plan to help you decide which plan would be a better option for you. Now talking about the good side, the pro and the con side of this platform. So talking about the pro side, it comes a block has effective. It can also help you fast your connection speed and also help you with a secure encryption and include in extra features. Now talking about the downside, which is a fewer server location and no independent audit together with a limited customer support. That's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this VPN website. Thanks.